So, if you've been online at all recently, I mean, you've definitely seen it.
Oh, yeah.
Bloxdrop.com, the ads they're just everywhere. The promise is always the same. Get free Robux for doing these tiny little tasks or playing some simple game.
And that sheer volume of advertising is exactly why we wanted to do this deep dive. We're here to cut through all that marketing noise, look at what real users are saying, and figure out if it's legit.
Okay, so let's dig in. Because on the surface, the site actually looks pretty polished. The marketing is smooth. It promises you instant payouts.
It does, and this is where it gets tricky, because we actually found evidence that, well, that it works,
Yeah.
for some people at least.
Right. You go on a third-party site like, say, Trustpilot, and you actually see positive reviews.
Exactly. You see real people saying, yeah, I actually got my Robux, or the payout
That's-
was real, and some even said the support team helped them when a payment was, delayed.
So it's not one of those complete ghost sites where absolutely no one gets paid.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Which makes it even more confusing.
Okay, but wait. If some people are getting paid, then what's the actual problem? Why the suspicion?
That is the question, and the answer, I think, lies in the mechanics of it all.
Mm.
Those positive payouts seem just frequent enough to keep up at sort of a baseline of credibility.
Yeah.
But then you start looking at their tactics.
And the red flags start flying.
Oh, yeah. Big time.
Okay, so red flag number one for me was the marketing itself. It's so aggressive, these huge discounts, these limited time bonuses.
The countdown timers?
Yes, the countdown timers everywhere. It's all designed to create this intense psychological urgency. They want you to just click now and not think about it.
Exactly. And when someone wants you to rush, you have to ask what they might be hiding.
Oh.
Which brings us to their own website. You go to their testimonial section, and, well, what do you see?
Perfection. Every single review is glowing. Instant payouts. Best platform ever.
Which is, in itself, a massive red flag.
Right, because no legitimate service, I don't care if it's Amazon or a huge gaming platform, has 100% positive reviews. It just doesn't happen.
It's impossible. So the fact that they're clearly filtering their feedback, it strongly suggests they're hiding some pretty serious operational failures.
So if you want the real story, you have to look elsewhere. And when we did, the complaints were really consistent. Slow payouts, delayed payouts, or even worse, people just never getting their Robux at all.
And then the support system just collapses. That's what we saw over and over. When something goes wrong, you get these really late responses, or sometimes just nothing, especially when you're asking about your balance or a refund.
And that's where you realize the trade-off. You might spend, an hour or two clicking VADs, doing surveys, all for a tiny amount of Robux, just to have a glitch wipe it all out with no one to help you.
There's also the age of the domain. It was registered back in May of 2024.
So it's not brand new, but it also hasn't really stood the test of time.
Exactly. And you combine a newer domain with these high urgency tactics.
Yeah.
It's a risky formula. We see scam sites pop up and disappear within 6 to 12 months all the time.
Okay, so let's bring this all together for everyone listening.
Sure. So on one side, you have a platform that does seem to work for a handful of users. We've seen proof of that. But that little bit of success is pretty much buried under all these red flags. The manipulative marketing, the totally filtered reviews, and the high rate of people reporting that they just never got paid or couldn't get help.
It really is that classic too good to be true scenario. The potential reward is tiny, the effort you put in is pretty high, and the risk of it all being for nothing is, well, it's substantial.
It is.
So that leaves a really important question for you to think about. When is the convenience of some quote-unquote easy reward actually worth the very real risk of losing your time and effort with absolute zero support when things go wrong? Something to mull over the next time one of those ads pops up in your feed.